So first let's see what is joint military exercises. So it is a form of engagement of various departments of the military in an exercise with different countries. It can be one country or multiple countries, and this showcases the military strength of the country, and this is a type of military diplomacy. There are two types of military exercises. One is bilateral. In bilateral, the military exercises is between two countries, and there is multilateral. As the name says, it involves forces and militaries between more than two countries. And what is the significance of Indian participants in this? So let's see the four major significance. Military exercises enables the military to understand each other's drill and procedure. They help in overcoming of language barrier and facilitate familiarization with equipment capabilities. This is particularly useful in the event of joint operation, whether in war or operations other than war, that is OOTW. And what are operation other than war? They are on humanitarian aids, disaster relief, anti-piracy and etc. when nations come together for a common cause. And after this, the other is the most important advantage of joint military exercises is strategic signaling. It serves the purpose of signaling to a third country of the influence we have in a region and a demonstration of our resolve to further our diplomatic objectives. Military exercises also promote brotherhood between soldiers and militaries. So after this, let's see the list of joint military exercises in India. So the first is Ex Indradhanush 5 2020. And what were the participating forces? It was Indian Air Force and Royal Air Force. Royal Air Force is of United Kingdom, and this was conducted at Air Force Station Hindon in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. The next is Ajaya Warriors 2020. The participating country was India and UK and conducted in UK, that is United Kingdom. Sahyog Kaijin. In this, the participating country were India and Japan, and this was conducted at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Sampriti 9. Sampriti is the joint military exercises between India and Bangladesh, and Sampriti 9 was conducted at Umrao, Meghalaya. Hand in Hand 8 2019. This was a joint military exercises between India and China, and this was too conducted in Umrao, Meghalaya. Indra 2019, the participating countries were India and Russia, and it was conducted at Babina, Uttar Pradesh, Pune and Goa. BIMSTEC Disaster Management Exercise 2020. Here the participating countries are India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Myanmar, and it was conducted at Puri, Odisha. Mitra Shakti 7. Mitra Shakti is a joint military exercises between India and Sri Lanka, and Mitra Shakti 7 was conducted at Pune. Dastlik 2019. In this, participating countries were India and Uzbekistan, and this was conducted as Tashkent. Zair al-Bahr. The participating country is India and Qatar, and this was conducted at Doha. Corpat, that is CORPAT 2019. Here the participating country are India and Bangladesh, and this was conducted at Northern Bay of Bengal. Dharmagarjan, the participating country is India and Japan, and conducted at Mizoram. Exercise Shakti 2019. Here the participating country is India and France, and this was conducted in Rajasthan. OS Index. OS is for Australia, Index India, that is INDEX 2019. Here the participating country is India and Australia, and this was conducted at Visakhapatnam, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Samudra Shakti. Samudra Shakti is conducted between India and Indonesia in Bay of Bengal. Him Vijaya, this is conducted between India and China and at the place Arunachal Pradesh. Nomadic Elephant 14, here the participating countries are India and Mongolia, and this is conducted at Bakhlo, that is in Mongolia. Tiger Trump, as you can see from the name, the participating country here is India and USA, and this was conducted at Vishakhapatnam. Changtang, participating country India and China, and conducted at Eastern Ladakh. Equivirine, here the participating countries are India and Maldives, and conducted at Pune. Yudh Abhyas is a joint military exercise between India and USA and conducted at Washington DC, USA. Maitri is a joint military exercise between India and Thailand, and these two was conducted in Meghalaya. Sahyog Hoptak, in this the participating countries is India and Vietnam, and it is conducted at Bay of Bengal. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Malabar exercise. Here the participating country is India, Japan and USA. Here we can see 3 countries, that is more than 2. Then this is multilateral joint military exercises, and this is conducted at Japan. Kaz Hind is Kazakhstan and India. 2019, as the name says, India and Kazakhstan are the participating country, and the place where it was conducted is Pithogarh in Uttarakhand. Garud 6, 2019, here the participating country is India and France, and this was conducted at France in the place Mont de Marsan. Al Naga 3, here the participating country is India and Unam, and this was conducted at Jail Al Akhdar in Unam. Sampriti 2019, as said earlier, Sampriti is a joint military exercises between India and Bangladesh, and Sampriti 2019 was conducted at Bangladesh, and the place is Tangal. Bold Kurukshetra 2019, here the participating country is India and Singapore, and this was conducted in Babina, Uttar Pradesh. Varuna 2019, the participating country is India and France, and this was conducted at coast of Goa. TSENTR, Test Trend 2019, here the participating country are, as this is a multilateral joint military exercise, the participating country are China, Tajikistan, India, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, and this was conducted at Russia. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.